I will keep that in mind that I need to continue bringing honor to this lands. Dapitan! Harmony! Harmony! Dapitan!
Dapitan! Harmony! Harmony! Dapitan!
Lodge number 21, F and AM, chartered in 1909, carries more than a century of Masonic tradition, brotherhood, service, and leadership.
Ating tagumpay sa kasalukuyan ay bunga ng pagsisikap, karunungan, at sakripisyo ng mga taong nauna sa atin. Hindi natin mararating ang ating kinalalagyan kung wala ang matatag na pundasyong inilatag nila.
We gather to honor the past masters whose wisdom and leadership and dedication have helped shape our lives into what it is today.
Brotherhood in every circumstance, together we build futures.
As we say, Dapitan! Harmony! Harmony! Thank you very much. May the great architect of the universe continue to bless our lodge and each one of you.
May the past masters be not only the guardian of our traditions, but also the guardians of our unity. And may we always remember that the greatest monument a Mason can leave behind is not engraved in stone, but a brotherhood that remains standing together long after he has left the East.
In the Dapitan Lodge, para lang sa'yo, ang giling-giling ko, para lang. Alright, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. The future of the Dapitan Lodge with this membership. Nakikita ko po talagang kakaiba kayo. Nung ako you've taken me in as an honorary member, simula noon, wala na akong mag-inisip, kundi ang magpakabuti, para naman magbigay ako ng dangal sa lodge na ito, ang Dapitan Lodge.
Thank you, brethren, and thank you, ladies, for teaching us that the applause of the world is a shadow, but the love of this family is eternal. Muli, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Kung wala itong guest of honor and speaker natin, wala pong dapitan ngayon.
huwag niyong isipin na ang obligasyon natin ay sa kapwa brethren. Ang obligasyon natin pumupunta hanggang doon sa ibaba. Sa mga tao, sa mga common na tao, doon sa mga wala.
It is the trust we build, the brotherhood we strengthen, and the enduring legacy we safeguard as one family.
On behalf of the Pitan Lodge number 21, thank you to everyone who made this celebration possible. Worshipful Master Emil Villa. May we continue to walk together in unity, harmony, and service. Mabuhay ang Dapitan Lodge number 21. Mabuhay ang ating past masters. And most of all, mabuhay din ang ating mga attend. Mabuhay ang kapatiran. Maraming salamat po sa mga kumalo.
Wishing them a speedy relief to their suffering and safe return to their native land. So they so desire. I give you the thanks toast to all for these Freemasons. Cheers! Cheers.